Hi, I'm Carol Rivet, and I wanted to talk today about the six-figure funnel, this system that has been working, and it's something that I set up and put together from years of being in different things, and I'm so excited because this is the answer. If you've failed to earn online before, then this funnel system, let me tell you why the system works. First of all, it's pure automation. It's set up for you. It works 24/7 while you're off living life, taking care of your kids. Maybe you're like me. You're blessed to be able to be with your grandkids and watching them. It gives you to where you can have a 2-hour workday and then you can go and do the things you love, whether it's golf, whether it's going for a walk. It's budget friendly. This funnel is budget friendly. It's based around a $10 business. And the $10 business has a free 7-day trial to it. Okay? It has all the traffic inside. There's no trying to figure out where to get traffic. You don't bug family and friends. You don't have to make a list of 100 names and email them. Okay? And bug them. Okay, this is a successful blueprint. I'm going to take you right here. You can see this is my email, and it's not just mine. Okay, others are having a lot of success with this. Okay, and this is in July is when I started it, the beginning of July. Okay. This has multiple streams of income in it. It's over 15 streams of income. Not only do you have the $10 business in there, but the traffic and the funnel system itself you earn from. Okay? And now the traffic is all budget friendly. Some of the traffic is like, one is $7 a month. Okay, the other one is $22, one-time cost. There's another one that's $25, one-time cost. Then there's another one that is $10 a month. So there's multiple, not just multiple streams of income, but multiple traffic sources in there for you. There's free traffic sources too. You can get in on social media. I have a Facebook group where I do posts, where you can take the post and share it to your social media, to your Facebook group. Okay, everything is set up for you. Okay, and this uses leverage. All right, so leverage is just simply giving people that need to make money online too this system so they can earn online too. And then when they're successful, you're successful because you're earning multiple levels down in many of these streams of income. Now, why is multiple income streams important? It's because somebody will join you in one thing, but they might not join you in something else. So there's 15 streams of income in here. So there's a very high, very, very high percentage chance that they're going to join you in something. They're going to look. Actually, I have people to look to say, okay, I'm already in this. I'm already in this. Let me look and see what else. And then they look for something specific to join you in because you gave them the system. Okay, there's an email system. It's a follow-up. It has an email follow-up to it over 300 days, okay? And if you struggle to set up, I will even help you with there, okay? So carol.ws, okay, is where you want to go to see this system. This system works. The system converts. If you've never had success online before, or if your success has been limited, you need to look at this. Just look at it, okay? Just go to carol.ws, put your email in there. Some of the capture pages I've set up also have your name, and look at the system. See why it works, and see if you feel like it will work for you. Okay, thank you, and God bless. And if this helped, please like, subscribe, and share.